Good morning, all of you. Welcome back. How are you all, my kids? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, let's begin our GK class. Students, in my today's GK class, I'm going to continue with the topic World of Sports. So let's begin. Adventure sports. Students, can you identify which adventure sports is this? Yes, it's a surfing. This one, students, can you identify? It's a rock climbing. Can you see how that girl is climbing the rock? Yes. Now let's see the next picture. Students, can you identify this sports? Which adventure sport is this? It's hang gliding. The next picture, students, it's skydiving. The next one, river rafting. The next one, bungee jumping. The next one, ice skiing. And the last one, scuba diving. Now, let us see the symbol with the sports. Yes, students, can you identify? Yes, it's a golf. This symbol is of golf. The next picture, can you identify? It's ice skiing. The next one, yes, it's a baseball. Can you identify this? It's soccer. The next one, yes, it's basketball. The next one, tennis. Correct. Yes, I know you all know this. It's cycling. And the last one is gymnastic. Very good, students. Students, quickly bring your GK book. I'll give you today's prep. I repeat, bring your GK book. Students, I hope now you all might be ready with your GK book. First thing that you are going to do is cancel textbook page number 73. I repeat, cancel textbook page number 73. Now, open textbook page number 77. I repeat, open textbook page number 77. Let's read this page. Sports legends. In every sport, there are one or two sports person who have done much better than the others. They are called legends. Let us learn about them. Born Edson Arantes do Nascimento, better known as Pelé, is known as a legend and the best soccer player to ever play the game. He was raised in a very poor family in Três Corações, Brazil. He was the member of 3 World Cup winning teams and was named Athlete of the Century and Footballer of the Century. Mika Singh is a former Indian track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. He is also known as the Flying Sikh. He is one of our greatest sporting legends. He was awarded the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honor, in recognition of his sporting achievements. Michael Johnson was born on September 13th, 1967 in Dallas, Texas. American sprinter, Johnson held world record in the indoor 400 meters and the outdoor 200 meters. At the 1996 Olympic Games in Atlanta, Georgia, he became the first man to win gold medals at both distance. He also set Olympic marks in both events. Johnson retired from competition in 2008. Edric Tiger Woods, now 37 years of age, has had an unprecedented career since becoming a professional golfer in the late summer of 1996. With his second Masters victory in 2001, Tiger became the first ever to hold all 4 professional major championships at the same time. Mika Singh, also known as Flying Sikh, is a former Indian track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. Prep students, textbook page number 75B and 76. I repeat, today's prep is textbook page number 75B and 76. Students, I will give you the answer key tomorrow. I shall keep it in ERP classroom. So this page you are going to do in prep. Question number B in page number 75 and page number 76 you are going to do this. Identify this adventure sport with the help of Doraemon. I hope you might have understood today's prep, students. Thank you, kids. Stay home, stay safe.